Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm just going to go through Spin Rewriter and show you some of the changes what's just come out, which are fairly decent changes, which will help you when you're doing stuff. As most of you know, I use Spin Rewriter quite a lot, basically for spinning all my meta titles, all my stuff like that, and all my stuff for me Magic Page plugins, posts and sites, and it's used a lot basically. Now, as you can see, this is the inside of it. You can rewrite a single article, you can rewrite multiple articles, you've got an archive, you can join their affiliate program. Obviously there's a WordPress plugin integration, which is quite cool. I'll go through that a bit later on. You can join the gold membership area, which is okay. It depends on what you want out of like sort of your membership. It's not something you actually need to do, but obviously, you know, if you want certain things, then it would be a good idea to join it. There is some very good videos, and there's some new videos obviously come out due to the changes what they've just made recently, which basically was yesterday when it got the revamp. And obviously you can contact support. I've only contacted them ever once, and it was a very quick reply, so the support is quite decent. You've also got these across the top, which are basically these as well. You can go to rewrite, archive, the WordPress plugin, membership affiliate program. So we'll go through them in a bit, but rewrite is one of the main ones. Now, go into rewrite and you get a blank area like this. So I've just got some text off the site. As you know, if you watch my videos, what I tend to do, especially if I'm writing for one of my sites, is I'll pull bits of content from different sites, put them in, make a document out of them, and then basically spin that document. Now, when you go to spin it, you've got a number of options, which is in the settings. You can have it so that it automatically rewrites sentences, automatically rewrites entire paragraphs, writes new paragraphs, changes the structure phases in sentence, and you can have it so it enables manual rewriting of sentences. I do like the manual one. I tend not to have these on. It's purely and simply because I like to write it myself. I'm a bit OCD that way, but you can do it that way. Depends on what you want it for. When it's for a money site, then I like to write it myself. If it's for something that I don't think is going to rank, and it's just using it for backlinks, then I don't mind having it like sort of, you're having these switched on. Words and phrases you can use like sort of most unique, most readable. I tend to just leave it on the similar one. You can protect words you want here. So if say I wanted to protect pest control, well, actually doesn't want to have pest control in there, will it? It will have termite. So if I put termite in there, it will protect termite. So it won't replace it with anything. So obviously if you've got specific keywords, you put them in there, then it won't actually protect them. You can switch on if you want to protect any capitalized words. Then the advanced setting, you've got auto click rewrite. Now again, this is what I would normally switch off, but I'm going to leave it on just for now, just so you can see what happens. Enable hyperspeed and one level or multi-level spinning, so you can have it, you know, spun even more. The only trouble with that is when you do spin more and more and more like that, it does tend to get a bit unreadable. Again, I like to do things like sort of more manually than this, but I'm just going to leave that on for now. Normally I would turn that off. You go OK, and then you do, oh, there's the other one. I don't have this bit, but you can fix the grammar. If you've got this perfect tense, you're not quite sure, you just put your API key in there, and then it will fix the grammar for you. That's not something I use. Oh, this one very often is you can pull in articles if you want from big content. There's a number of articles you can pull in, but it's the content on there is okay, but again, it's not something I would use for. I do use it now and again for affiliate sites, specifically more for the affiliate backlinks to my affiliate sites, which I'm not that fussed about. But again, for money sites, it's not something I would use. So now we just do rewrite article. So it goes away. Basically, I've had this now for a lot of time, probably about 2013, 14, a long time I've had it. And it has got upgrades just about every year. It has got better as the time's gone on. So as you can see, it didn't take that long. You've got 99% unique with billions of possible versions. Because what it's done, it's left termite, but it's got an infestation invasion problem, which is quite okay. Begin start, which is okay. There are 2, main, primary, major. It's, and what I tend to do is there are 2 main, there are 2 primary, there are 2 major ways that managing which, yeah, it could be okay. Termites, may, might is okay. Like I say, it does come out with some really good stuff, but there's odd bits where I particularly myself don't like it, so I will do it like more by hand. But then what you can do, you can go to your one-click rewrite. So if you click it, it'll rewrite it all again. You can save it for later, or you can finalize it. If you want to do some changes yourself, then you need to click this button, and it will say, I understand the risk. So you just go, yep, okay. And now what you can do, you can come into here, and we can click on how, and it gives us all of the words what we want. So it's like exactly how, just how, precisely how. So you could change that to the way, the way in which, and you can put anything what you want in, and you can do that with any of them. Any words that are underlined like that, where there's a number of words, you highlight them, and when it comes up, it's like on the other hand, however, and you've got word which you can change like that. So again, you've just made extra changes. So then you go finalize the article. And there we go, we've now got an article. We've got an article there. Now what we can do, we can add videos, we can add images. Now previously what it would actually do is just put in the actual link for the video. Well, one of the changes, it actually shows you the video in position, and it shows you the images in position. But if we do, first I'll generate an article. So that's the article, what it generates, what you can pop onto your WordPress site, which is that. And of course, if you generate another one, it'll do that. What it's got now is HTML as well, so you click on that. If you've got any HTML in, so let's have some, if I want to put HTML in, put that in, and then you can do like H2. H2. And it's made that into an H2. So you can start to format your article in here. So then you will go to HTML, copy that, and then drop it into your article in text mode. So that's that. Like I say, you can put a video in, so let's do that. So all you do is you do a click, put your keyword in, control, fetch videos, it goes away and it fetches a load of videos for you. So you can basically do that one, do that one, do that one, do that one. And then you can say you want one video inserted into each article. And you can have the text wrapping around the videos, or you can turn that off so the videos are just in the middle. let's have that turned off. Let's do use the videos. So now what we've got is that one, which probably wasn't a very good video. Let's do it. There we go, that's better. So we've got that one. And if you look at the HTML, you've got the iframe in there. So if you wanted to, you could do go back to visual, and now we've got that in the center. Obviously, you can change the size of the image and the video, the image, and things like that. So you can make it as nice looking as you want, and then it's a simple case of just copying all that and dropping it into your site. Nice and easy, and that's what it does. Obviously, another way to do it is you can download the text. So you can download the article that way, and that will download it for you. You can post, if you've got the plugin installed on your site, you can post it automatically to WordPress, which is really good. You can also, if you've got Copyscape, you can check Copyscape to make sure it's unique and keep changing it until you get it so that it's unique. I mean, this one's 92% unique. So the chances are you're going to pass Copyscape with it. Now that was out downloading, downloading the article, but with this one you can actually export it, and you can put how many articles do you want? You want 500, and basically it will export 500 articles in their own text file. You can export it just in a syntax format as you've got it in there. Or you can export them as in a total one file, which if you're doing 500 would be like sort of a pain to actually sort out. So that one would be the best one. You know, you might decide you only want 50 articles or 10 articles or whatever, because you can use these for all sorts of different things, and then you just export the zip file. So that's basically Spin Rewriter. Like I say, I've used it for years and years and years. It's got better over time, and because of the new upgrades, what they've just done, they do have a sale on at the moment. But even if you don't catch the sale, they do have where you can get it on trial for like 5 or 7 days. See what it's like. If you like it, you buy it. If you don't, then that's fine. Obviously, Archive will show you all of the actual documents that you've created. The WordPress plugin, I'll come to that in a minute. We've got the gold membership. Like I said, something you might get benefit out of it. It's something that you've got lots of different stuff. So you can get like sort of video SEO content on demand. You can get 50 articles. It depends on what you're doing. If you're doing things like sort of affiliate marketing, then you can actually obviously benefit from this, because you will get the decent stuff. If you're just doing the lead gen stuff, then I probably wouldn't bother going with it. At this moment in time, probably leave it till later on if you do decide to start and do affiliate marketing, because a lot of the articles are more based around the affiliate marketing stuff. Obviously, you can see you passed our order articles. If you have a VA, you can set up an account for them and just give them access to certain things. You can spin on your go with your iPhone and Android apps. It's not really something I would do, but again, some people do like doing that, so the ability is there. Now this one, obviously you get faster spinning. So again, that if you're doing a lot of spinning, that could be a good time saver. And you get priority support. Your support tickets are marked as gold. Like I say, the support is pretty hot as it is, so I wouldn't exactly class that as a huge benefit. The support is good. It's been around a lot of years. It's not a new tool. They know what they're doing. Obviously, you can join the affiliate program, and you can get an API key, which can be used in other programs which make use of Spin Rewriter. I have a couple of programs which use it, and they basically spin content on the fly sort of thing. But then the WordPress plugin, like I say, this is something which is really good for, especially for like affiliate sites, for keeping it up to date. Because what you can do, once you download it, you install it on your site, and then it automatically, you can set it so it automatically spins and republishes old posts, and you can set like the times, the weeks, the months, whatever you want. You can get it to fetch the unique posts, which is obviously it takes it from the unique posts previously, where you can search for posts. You can spin posts right inside your WordPress settings. So basically you've got a post, you just go down to it and you click a thing and it will spin it, which can be useful. And the best one obviously is it can connect your website. So basically when you go into where you've actually just checked your article back there, I can click on that button and it will automatically post it to the site I want. Now, if you've got, say, 5 affiliate sites which are all around the same niche, you can click it, post to one site, redo the post again, so respin it, click it, post to the next site, respin it, click it, post to the next site. Now you've got your 5 posts updated straight away, which is basically the connecting here and the remote posting, which is really good. Well, that's basically it. That's Spin Rewriter. Like I say, I've used it for a long time and I've never had any issues with it, and it really does give you some good content. If you want to check it out, there'll be a link below, and obviously there'll be a link on my website as well. Okay, catch you on the next video. Bye.